Hop into the 2010 Honda CR-V. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek, tech-savvy CR-V. Loaded with convenience features to make your life easier, all-weather capability, and premium styling, this small SUV is the perfect complement to your active lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, alarm, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror, MP3 player, trip computer, driver vanity mirror, bucket seats. Being adventurous never felt so refined. Treat yourself to a road test in the Honda CR-V and enjoy an exceptional driving experience.